Okay, so here we go with the measurements. So I'm going to start at 0 voltage that is the supply voltage is setting at 0. That would be this voltage here. And I'll be looking at the voltmeter voltage, which is the voltage across the resistor. And I see that it is 0 volts. So I will write 0 volts here, 0.0. And now we'll move it up to 0.5 volts. There's 0.5, and I'm still reading 0 volts across the 1K resistor. And why is that? It's because we're not getting any current across the 1K resistor, and we note that the LED is not turning on. So, and we take a look right here at the LED. So we're going to go up to 1.0. And see, we still have 0 volts, and the LED is not illuminating. So we've got a 0.0 there. And we will go to 1.5. And now you can see that we have some voltage here. We are seeing 6.1 millivolts across the resistor. And but we're not noticing any real illumination yet. So that's 0.0061 volts. And so that's at 1.5. So let's move it up to 2 volts. There's 2 volts. And now we see 319.3 millivolts. So that would be 0.319 volts. And you can see that the LED has now started turning on. So just take a look at it now. And we'll just keep on going. We'll go to 2.5. Let's have 2.5 right here. Come on. And now it's at 0.798 or 798 millivolts. 0.798. That is a 7. Okay, and now the LED is on fairly bright. You can see that it's actually in the image, it's turning kind of almost white. That's because the pixels are being saturated on the. It's really red. It's really red. So we're going to go now from 2.5 up to 5. All right, so here is, oops, okay, 5 volts, close enough. And now we are reading 3.198 volts. So 3.198 volts, okay. And now the LED is on nice and bright, and we'll go to 10 volts. So there's 10, and it is even brighter, and we're seeing 8.28 volts. 8.28 volts at 10, and one last reading at 15. There's 15 volts, and we are reading 13.1. All right, so those are the measurements that are being taken, and for now, and now then you will be calculating the values of the voltage across the LED and the current through the resistor, which is also the current through the LED. Those other 2 columns on that chart.